Hi everyone. For a few years now, a special shade of gray has been considered a sign of exclusivity, the nardogray originally used by Audi. With our Greyhead, which we have rebuilt on the basis of Softail Breakout, the colors nardogray and shiny black should also indicate a certain exclusivity. That's why we did not skimp on covers and powder coatings. Our order slip simply said, everything. When conversing this gray beauty, we took one of our proven recipes and lowered the breakout with simple means at the front and rear. We gave her a 260R tire with our wide GP rear fender including the integrated lighting and a GP seat shell made of GFK. Because of these measures the license plate holder slips to the left side and the exhaust of Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde gives thanks to the shortened manifolds the view to the right side of the rear wheel. The eponymous headcap for the Greyhead and the front spoiler are additional components that have been dipped into gray and add the finishing touch to the sporty line of the bike. This conversion is rounded off by numerous covers and grips and pegs matching the concept. Thanks for watching.